Many local public health directors are asking Governor Polis to issue tougher measures to stop the spread of the virus. They sent a letter pointing to key numbers in the pandemic, like that positivity rate, where the counties of Summit, Morgan, Custer, Alamosa, Otero, and Prowers are all up over 15%. Saguache County, now more than 25%. That means a quarter of all people getting tested there are positive for COVID. Rick Salinger live tonight in Denver. So, Rick, what do health experts predict comes next for us in this pandemic?
Well, Jim, I wish I could tell you that the future looked bright, but the fact of the matter is there's still a lot of darkness before that light at the end of the tunnel. And now local health officials have sent this letter to the state. As the frightening and sometimes heartbreaking numbers of COVID-19 cases and deaths rise, county and local health authorities are figuratively raising their voices. In a letter to the governor's office and state health department, the Colorado Association of Local Public Health Officials writes they are worried about delaying strong medicine. Paradoxically, the outcome of these delays, they write, could be a greater likelihood of moving to the stay-at-home level we all want to avoid. Teresa Anselmo is the executive director of the association. We asked if they feel another lockdown should be ordered.
We prefer not to use the word lockdown. I think at some point we do have to have the conversation about whether that's necessary or not to protect the people of this state.
She says while Colorado has a statewide mask mandate, other uniform orders such as curfews and last calls may be required.
As water and air don't recognize the boundaries of counties, neither does COVID.
While the governor and state health officials have been the face of the government's response to the virus, the local authorities insist they are the front line and need to be consulted more. Through a spokesman, the governor responded to this letter by saying the local counties have the ability to resort to more restrictive measures if they choose to do so. And he added he would take more statewide measures if necessary. Live at the Capitol, Rick Salinger, covering Colorado First.
Rick, thank you.